We're about to start a little bit of a controversy. Today I'm going to be talking about, in my opinion, the most versatile chemical in the detailing industry. Let's get straight into it. Yo, what is up guys? Jamie from Jamie's Detailing, and today I want to talk to you guys about Pink Perfection, one of my absolute favorite chemicals for my detailing business, and I recommend it to a lot of my clients that are just looking to touch up their cars, clean their cars in between details. So let's go ahead and talk about Pink Perfection and why I think that this is one of the most versatile chemicals. So starting off guys, Pink Perfection is extremely economical, especially for you guys who are running a business. Now Pink Perfection, you guys can get it for under $13 for a gallon of this stuff, so it is extremely economical. I'll actually put the exact price right up here or something so you guys can see the exact price of it, but it is extremely economical and it's highly dilutable. And because it is so dilutable, it makes it even more economical than most other APCs out there on the market. Pink Perfection is not a heavy degreaser. It doesn't have any degreasing agents in it. It actually just has 15 different surfactants, very similar to a Superior Products Greenall, which I know a lot of people like, but I actually like Pink Perfection a little bit better because it has that added soap surfactant. Now, we all know that we can do a ton of different things with APCs, from interior cleaning to exterior cleaning, but just a few of the things that I love to use Pink Perfection on, guys, are interiors. I pretty much can use it on an entire interior. Whether I want to, use it on carpeting, I want to use it on plastics, leather, vinyl. Those are the main three things that I use it on right there, are my plastics, my leathers, and my vinyls. But I've even used this stuff before to do carpet cleaning, to clean leather. I use it all the time on leather, which is actually one of my favorite things to use Pink Perfection on. And since I'm using one product for the vehicle, one product for like an interior detail, or one chemical for an interior detail, it really speeds up the interior detailing process, and Pink Perfection is super safe on pretty much all surfaces. Really, the only surface that I don't use Pink Perfection on, and that's just a me thing, I have used it before on these surfaces, but that is LCD screens. Now, LCD screens can be a little bit sensitive, so I typically just clean LCD screens with diluted or distilled water, or just a dry towel even will a lot of times just wipe the dust off and clean up those LCD screens. But that's really the only thing that I typically stay away from with Pink Perfection. And that's really just APCs and APCDs in general. I wouldn't want to clean an LCD screen with, but they work super good on pretty much all surfaces. So, Pink Perfection not only can be used on the interior for all your leather, plastic, vinyls, your even carpeting, if you're just doing a light cleaning of some carpeting, a quick refresh of the carpeting, and you don't want to bring out your all your carpet cleaning chemicals or whatever. But it is a super awesome product for interiors. But another thing that nobody really talks about with Pink Perfection is it is a super good exterior cleaner, especially for actually pre-soaking a car with Pink Perfection before you go into your contact wash. So I actually use Pink Perfection a lot of times on for pre-soaks, and I can even use it on wheels and tires. It does a great job at wheels and tires, especially if you're just doing a quick clean on those wheels and tires. You're not looking to do, it doesn't have a ton of brake dust or a ton of iron to remove and all that kind of stuff. Pink Perfection can be a great wheel cleaner as well. One other thing that you can use it on the exterior of the vehicle that I don't hear a lot of people talking about is bugs. Pink Perfection is an amazing bug remover. So if you haven't tried Pink Perfection on the exterior as a pre-soak, and you can even directly spray it onto the bugs and stuff like that. But if you guys haven't tried it on the exterior of the vehicle, definitely give it a try. It might even replace some of your guys' bug cleaners and stuff like that. And being able to just buy one chemical that can do interiors, it can do exterior, different things on the exterior, is extremely valuable to me as a professional detailer and somebody that's working on a ton of different vehicles that have a ton of different, levels of dirtiness or contamination. So those are pretty much my reasons why I think Pink Perfection is probably one of the most versatile products out there on the market. I know somebody's gonna be like, rinseless wash. But in my opinion, Pink Perfection does a much better job at cleaning specifically interiors, grease, grime, all that kind of stuff. It's not a neutral cleaner. Being a higher on the pH scale, it just cleans quicker in my opinion. So anyways, guys, let me know in the comments down below what you guys think is your guys' most versatile chemical when it comes to the detailing world. If it's something that I haven't tried out yet, then I'm definitely going to add it to my list for 2025, and maybe we will try it here on the channel and do some direct comparisons to other chemicals that I'm typically using from Superior products. But that is all that I have for today's video, so I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace.